CVMC, ECE, Unit 2, Complex Integration. Lesson 16. Problem 61. Apply calculus of residues prove that 0 to 2 pi 1 plus 4 cos theta by 17 plus 8 cos theta d theta is equal to 0. Solution. For this type of problems, put z is equal to e power I theta. dz is equal to e power I theta derivative e power I theta into I into theta derivative d theta. E power I theta z. From this d theta is equal to dz by iz. Z is equal to e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Euler formula. 1 by z is equal to 1 by e power I theta, that is e power minus I theta. For this Euler formula, cos theta minus I sin theta. So we get cos theta. How do we get cos theta? Adding z plus 1 by z is equal to plus I sin theta minus I sin theta cancel. Cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta. Z square plus 1 by z is equal to 2 cos theta. From this cos theta is equal to z square plus 1 by 2z. Now, what is your mod z? This is x plus iy form. Mod z means root of x square plus y square. So, root of cos square theta plus sin square theta, root 1 is a unit circle. For here in numerator cos theta is there. You write this cos theta. Look here. Cos theta is equal to real part of cos theta plus I sin theta. For numerator cos theta. This is for denominator cos theta. This is for numerator cos theta. Write like this. Real part of cos theta plus I sin theta, e power I sin theta, I theta. Real part of e power I theta means z. So cos theta can be written as real part of z. Substituting these values in the above given integral, we get integral 0 to 2 pi 1 plus 4 cos theta by 17 plus 8 cos theta d theta is equal to integral over c. For above cos theta, you write 1 plus 4 into real part of z by in denominator cos theta, you write z square plus 1 by 2z. So 2 cancel 4 times. Take real part of like this. Here c is a mod z is equal to 1, already given to you. Integral over c 1 plus 4z by 2 cancel, taking LCM 17z plus 4z square plus 4 by z dz by z, z cancel. Common 1 by I. Real part of 1 by I into over C. 1 plus 4z by factors. Z plus 4 into 1 plus 4z. This one cancel. We get this one. Now we have to find value of this integral. So consider your f of z is equal to 1 by z plus 4. Poles of f of z are equating denominator to 0. So z is equal to minus 4. Mod z is equal to 1 is a circle with the center C0, 0, C0, 0 and radius r is equal to 1. And radius r is equal to 1. Diagram x, x dash, y, y dash, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. So minus 4. Z is equal to minus 4 is a pole of order 1 lies outside the circle mod z is equal to 1. So instead over C 1 by z plus 4 dz is equal to 0. Outside by Cauchy's theorem the integral value is 0. So integral 0 to 2 pi 1 plus 4 cos theta by 17 plus 8 cos theta d theta is equal to real part of 1 by I. Integral value 0. So we get 0. So hence proved. Problem 62. Apply calculus of residues. Evaluate integral 0 to 2 pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta d theta. Solution. So same methodology. Put z is equal to e power I theta. dz is equal to e power I theta derivative e power I theta into I into theta derivative d theta. E power I theta is nothing but z I d theta. From this d theta is equal to dz by iz. For denominator cos theta. Let z is equal to e power I theta is equal to Euler formula cos theta plus I sin theta. 1 by z, 1 by e power I theta. So e power minus I theta cos theta minus I sin theta. We have to get cos theta. How to get cos theta? Adding z plus 1 by z plus I sin theta minus I sin theta cancel. Cos theta plus cos theta 2 cos theta. LCM is equal to 2 cos theta. So cos theta is equal to z square plus 1 by 2z. Here in the numerator cos 2 theta is given. For cos 2 theta, right, cos 2 theta is equal to real part of cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta. Real part of this one is nothing but cos 2 theta. Real part of e power I 2 theta. Real part of e power I theta whole square. Real part of z square. Mod z is equal to x plus I by form. Mod z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Formula root over cos square theta plus sin square theta root 1 1 is a unit circle. Is a unit circle. X dash 1 1 minus 1 minus 1. Substituting these values in the above given integral, we get into 0 to 2 pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta d theta is equal to integral over c. Numerator cos 2 theta, write real part of z square by write cos theta, denominator cos theta value z square plus 1 by 2z. 2 cancel 2 times d theta dz by iz, where see the circle mod z is equal to 1. So is equal to real part of z square by LCM 5z plus 2z square plus 2 by z dz by iz. Z cancel. Real part of 1 by I integral over c z square by factors z plus 2 into 1 plus 2z dz. This is 1. We have to calculate this integral value. Consider f of z is equal to z square by z plus 2 into 1 plus 2z. Poles of f of z are given by equating denominator to 0. Z is equal to minus 2, z is equal to minus 1 by 2. Z is equal to minus 2 is a pole of order 1 lies outside the circle mod z is equal to 1. Z is equal to minus 1 by 2 is a pole of order 1 lies inside the circle mod z is equal to 1. So minus 1 by 2 lies inside the circle, minus 2 lies outside the circle. Observe. Residue f of minus 1 by 2. Residue f of a model. Limit z tends to a z minus into f of z formula. Limit z tends to a means minus 1 by 2. Z minus a, z minus of minus plus 1 by 2 f of z is equal to limit z tends to minus 1 by 2. Take LCM 2z plus 1 by 2. Your f of z is z square by z plus 2 into 1 plus 2z. 1 plus 2z. So 1 plus 2z, 1 plus 2z cancel. Put z is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here already 1 by 2 is there. 1 by minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4 by minus 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 8 into LCM 2. minus 1 plus 4 by 2. 2 cancel in the entire 4 times is equal to minus 1 plus 4, 3 into 4. So 1 by 12. 1 becomes into 0 to 2 pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta d theta is equal to real part of 1 by I. Here integral value is 1 by 12. By residue theorem, integral over C f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residues is equal to 2 pi I into 1 by 12. So pi I by 6. 1 becomes into 0 to 2 pi cos 2 theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta d theta is equal to real part of 1 by I. Integral value pi I by 6 is equal to I cancel. Real part of pi by 6 is equal to pi by 6.